PRObuilt Transaxles from Airkewld. Shown here is a short axle, short spline application, freeway flyer, where we assembled the bad series brakes on the transmission. These transmissions are sold outright, no core needed. Let's show you what we do. One-piece boots. Bushings and seals. Now you can get your bolt-in rear end suspension and transaxle from Airkewld. We can even assemble your brakes. Soon it'll come with a PRObuilt crate and matching box to the front end. Many options to choose from as far as super div, chromoly axles, welded gears, heavy duty side plate, and more. Expert installation by the pros here at Airkewld involve pressing seals into the billet grease caps, the axle bearing caps, lubing them using OEM seal races that have been checked for trueness and squareness, new hardware, and torqued to Airkewld specs to make sure these rotors and hubs last a lifetime. For more information, check us out on YouTube as well as our website, airkewld.com, for more information. Thanks for following.